All right, guys, we got a 2017 Audi A7 running about 490 horsepower. So it's got resonated downpipes. They're supposed to cut down on drone on it. There and there, it's got a stage 2 tune. And then it's got a bolt-on kit from AWE, as you guys can see right there. Each side, it's an AWE touring system with resonated downpipes, okay? It's supposed to push about 490. It hasn't dynoed it yet, but it pushes around 490 horsepower. All right, so we're gonna let you guys hear it and show you what was done to it and what we did. It came with the system put on already, but it was hitting right there at the cross member. So AWE, if you're watching, supply new hangers on it that are a little bit stronger. So we had to put a solid mount hanger on it to raise it up off the middle. As you guys can see, it was hitting really bad, rattling the whole car. But it's got two resonators there, another resonator there. As you guys can see, there's the AWE Performance Unlocked sticker with a serial number. It also cracked here, so they sent him a new one this side that he had installed too, because it cracked right there. That was a weak spot. And then there's the 180 technology by AWE right there. And right there, that's supposed to cut down on drone also. He says he barely hears any drone out of it. And another thing, AWE, the new hangers have like ends at them. We had to add washers on each side because it kept sliding out and it ruined his bumper right there. So we put them two washers and tacked them so the hanger doesn't move anymore, as you guys can see. But other than that, it's a really beautiful system right there. You guys can see 3.0 turbo quattro A7. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell us if these videos are helping. And if they are, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for us. Man, that's clean sounding. Wow. That's a good sounding car right there. That's exotic right there. Again. Right at 103. I like it. I like it. Sorry for the construction, guys. It's exotic. I like it. I can tell this thing wants to go. It's ready for action. I like the teardrop slant on it. That's cool. And he says this system doesn't drone at all, guys, so that's the system to go with. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Audi A7 Quattro, full downpipes AWE system with 180 technology, which cuts out drone. Sorry for the construction, guys. Wow, that sounds phenomenal, guys. Enjoy it.